Creating an EveryDollar emergency fund is a straightforward process that can help you achieve financial stability and peace of mind. To start, you need to understand what an emergency fund is and why it is essential. An emergency fund is a pool of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs, medical bills, or losing your job. The first step in creating an EveryDollar emergency fund is to determine your monthly expenses. Make a list of all your necessary expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. This will give you an idea of how much you need to cover your basic needs in case of an emergency. Next, decide how much you want to save in your emergency fund. A general rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. However, this amount may vary depending on your individual circumstances, such as your job security, income, and dependence. Now, let's talk about how to create your emergency fund using EveryDollar. EveryDollar is a free budgeting app that allows you to track your income and expenses and set financial goals. To create an emergency fund in EveryDollar, start by setting up your budget and tracking your income and expenses. Then, create a new fund called Emergency Fund and set a goal amount based on your monthly expenses. To fund your emergency account, allocate a portion of your income each month towards your emergency fund. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. Consider setting aside a fixed amount each month, such as 10% of your income, until you reach your goal. It is essential to keep your emergency fund separate from your everyday spending money. Consider opening a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund to avoid the temptation to use the money for non-essential expenses. Finally, review and adjust your emergency fund regularly to ensure it continues to meet your needs. As your income and expenses change, you may need to adjust your goal amount or contribution rate. By following these steps and maintaining a consistent savings habit, you can create a robust emergency fund using EveryDollar and achieve long-term financial stability.